Today we are going to make a DIY shampoo. It is 100% natural and it does not have any chemicals in it. I am going to take little bit of shampoo in my hand and mix it in water. You can see how nicely it lathers. This shampoo cleans hair very nicely and make them soft and shiny. For this we will need 100 gram Shikekai, 100 gram amla and 100 gram Rita or Soapnut. You can get it anywhere in the grocery shop nearby. Shikekai strengthens your hair and make them soft and shiny. Since long time, Shikekai has been used as a natural cleanser for hair. If you ask your grandmother, she will tell you in olden times Shikekai was used to clean your hair naturally. Now we are going to take 100 gram amla. Amla is very helpful for the hair growth. It has vitamin C in it. Amla is very helpful if you have hair fall. You can also have amla in your diet. It is very beneficial for your hair health. Next we are going to take 100 grams of Soapnut. It is also called Rita. Because of Soapnut, our shampoo is going to lather. Soapnut is a very good cleanser. These black seeds from Soapnut, we are going to remove them and we are going to use these outer shells. We are going to make powder of all these ingredients in mixer. If we use these black seeds, our mixer might break. That's why I have removed all these black seeds. We are going to throw that away and use these outer shells of Soapnut in our shampoo. We are going to make powder of all these three ingredients. We can easily make this powder in the mixer or blender that is available at our home. So put all of these together in the mixer. You can also make this shampoo by bringing the ready-made powder, but many a times there could be adulterations. So I choose this option. Since I am making this powder in front of my own eyes, that's why the purity of it is guaranteed. You can easily make this powder in the mixer that is available at your home. This kind of coarse textured powder is formed. While making and handling this powder, do cover your nose with a mask, otherwise you will start sneezing. So in this way we have made this good powder. Now put this powder in a vessel, then add water to it. Approximately 1.5 liter water is sufficient. Now we are going to boil this mixture. Put the gas on sim and let it boil. You can stir in between. You can see a good quality lather has formed on our mixture. This is because of the Soapnut. Mixture has started boiling, so let it boil on sim till the mixture is reduced to half. Now we are going to add flax seeds to our shampoo. Flaxseed is very helpful for hair growth. It is going to give our shampoo a creamy gel-like texture like the shampoos available in market. Now it has reduced to half, so I'm going to add 100 grams of flaxseed to it and then add 1 liter of water to it, and again we are going to let it boil. Flaxseed gives our shampoo a creamy gel-like texture, so let's just check if this texture is achieved, but no, it is still not achieved, so we will let it boil. Now again we are going to check. Now this is the perfect texture. If you see the bubbles, you can understand the consistency has changed. So now we are going to switch off the gas and then we are going to strain it through a strainer. We are going to strain it through the strainer while it is hot, because as it cools down, the shampoo gets thicker and thicker. Its consistency increases. We are going to remove all the shampoo that is left in the residue in this way. So in this way our herbal shampoo is ready. Now we are going to let it cool down. The residue that is left behind, we are going to add more water to it and boil it and extract all the shampoo from it. And the residue that remains, we are going to dry it in the sunlight, and we are going to use it whenever required as a body scrub. It gives a very good body polishing effect. Our shampoo is cooled down, so we are going to strain it through a cloth strainer so that we will get a very fine, good quality shampoo like the one available in the market. We have strained our shampoo through a strainer, so now I am going to fill it up in a bottle. This shampoo does not have any preservatives, so we need to store it in the refrigerator. Our herbal shampoo without any chemicals and preservatives is ready now. Now I will also show you how it lathers. I've taken a little bit of shampoo in my hand. I am going to mix it in the water and see how nicely it lathers. You can see our shampoo has formed such a nice lather. The shampoo cleanses the hair and also makes them soft and shiny. You can see how beautiful my hair are looking. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button so that every time I post a new video, you will get notification and you can watch all my videos. I have made few more videos on hair care. I'm giving link of that playlist here in the I button so that you can check all my hair care videos and start taking care of your hair naturally. Please comment and tell me what is your result after making and using this shampoo. Thank you.